How to connect Google Maps to your car Bluetooth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Google Maps to your car's Bluetooth so that navigation direction play through your car speakers. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app, and now here, once you're inside the settings, simply tap on Bluetooth, and here, make sure to turn it on. And here, once the Bluetooth is turned on, simply find your car Bluetooth on the list and tap to connect. And some cars connect automatically while other needs you to select them manually. And here, once you have connected the Bluetooth with the car's Bluetooth, then you simply have to open the Google Maps. And now here, once you are inside the Google Maps, just tap on your profile icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, in this section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on settings. And now here, in this section, you simply have to look for the navigation and tap on it. And now here in this section, you simply have to toggle on two options. So first is play voice over Bluetooth and second is play voice over the phone calls. And once you enable that, this will ensure that all Google Maps direction play through your car speakers. Now, once you're done with it, you can simply exit the settings and start navigating anywhere, and all voice direction should come through your car's audio system. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.